The next tool is Object Selection tool. It is a very powerful tool to select the object. We have two modes here. One is a rectangle and the second is a lasso. Let's select the flower by rectangle mode first. Draw a rectangle like a marquee tool around the object. We can see that the tool has selected the whole flower area automatically. But some additional unwanted areas also got selected. Let's zoom the image to edit the selection in a better way. Now select the lasso mode. Though we have the same 4 buttons for adding, subtracting and intersecting the selection, we should work with Shift and Alt key to work faster. Now press the Alt key and make a selection around the pixels that we don't want. Repeat the process of adding the subject area and removing the unwanted areas from the selection until you select the flower properly. This is a better way to select the object easily. We have similar options on the options bar like sample all the layers and auto enhance. We have one more option here for object subtract. Let's deselect the selection and take a fresh selection by dragging a rectangle around the flower. Again, we see that some unwanted areas also got selected. Now turn off the object subtraction option if it is on. Now press the Alt key and try to remove the unwanted areas that we don't want. You can see the tool has straight away removed the areas from the selection. But we didn't expect this. We want to remove the outside area only. Let's undo it. Now turn the object subtract option on and repeat the same step. You can see that this time the tool analyzes the subject and removes the unwanted areas only. 3 of these tools select the desired areas in a very easy way.